Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use medium hold pomade. First, ensure your hair is clean and towel dried. This provides the best canvas for styling. Next, take a small, pea-sized amount of pomade, roughly 1/4 of a teaspoon, and rub it vigorously between your palms. This warms the product, making it much easier to apply evenly throughout your hair without clumping. This crucial first step sets the foundation for a great style. Once the pomade is fully emulsified, begin applying it to your hair. Start at the back of your head and work your way forward, ensuring you cover the roots first, then distribute it through to the ends. This method helps prevent too much product from accumulating at the front, which can make your hair look heavy. Use your fingertips to really work the pomade into every section, ensuring an even coating for consistent hold and texture across your entire head. Now for the fun part, styling. With the pomade evenly distributed, you can use a comb for a more defined, classic look, or your fingers for a more natural, textured finish. Medium hold pomade offers fantastic flexibility, meaning you can easily restyle your hair throughout the day if needed, without adding more product. Don't be afraid to experiment with different partings or volumes to find the style that best complements your face shape and personal preference. For a bit more hold, you can apply a second, very small amount of pomade, perhaps half of your initial application, focusing on areas that need extra control. Remember, less is often more with pomade. Over-applying can lead to a greasy or heavy look. Finally, to maintain healthy hair and scalp, always wash out your pomade thoroughly with shampoo at the end of the day. This ensures your hair is ready for its next great style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.